In this video, you will learn how to correctly pay your YouTube TV bill in the USA. First, go to the YouTube TV on your web browser. Then, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your credentials, such as your email and your password. Go to Settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop down menu. Navigate to the Billing section. Under the Memberships tab, find the Billing section. Here, you can see current subscription details, including your billing cycle, payment method and due date. Update or change payment method. If you need to change your payment or update your payment method to a credit card or debit card, click on Update Payment Method. You will receive a page where you can enter a new payment method. You can either add a new credit card or use PayPal. Review payment details. Reviewing your payment details includes the plan you're subscribed to. This will make sure everything is correct. Make payment. If there is an outstanding balance or payment is due, you can manually make the payment. You should be able to see the button like Pay Now or Pay Bill if the system prompts you for a payment. After updating and confirming your payment method, follow the prompts to finalise the transaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.